play. You come out of the bed and left me lonely.
Yeah, I have to clean. If I don't clean, who gonna clean?
Not me.
Exactly.
So you plan to do for the day?
Listen, I need to go pay some bills and go to the supermarket.
So I can't get no breakfast? No, nothing?
I just said there's no food here. Alright. Exactly.
Can't borrow some money from my mother or your friend them?
Listen, this no money situation is not gonna work with me.
Tell you, so when my friend them call me and I get the job, everything will be alright. For now, we have to just struggle.
Something needs to give. We cannot continue living like this. Anyway, I need help moving the couch in the living room. I need to clean up in there.
Alright, come on. Wait, Mark up. Yo, sis, how are
You just come back from the hospital with mama.
Fuck, yo.
Doctor them say she gonna need a heart transplant.
Yo, sis, right now, I have no money at all. So I don't know what that surgery I go do.
Them say we need to get her upon the list so that she can get her donor, and we can't do that before we pay the money.
No loan, you can't get no loan, no way, no nothing.
So right now, I'm up to my neck in a debt.
So mommy never have no money?
Last week I some money me have to borrow to help pay off the bills them.
Yo, go on, look how mom I go come link you. And we talk, or something.
Alright, then if anything, call me back, alright?
Alright, later.
Yeah, later. Bye.
Listen, babe. All the bills are piling up on us. I'm here trying to figure out which bill is more important to pay right now. Maybe alright?
Good one.
You sure? Alright, I'm trying to figure out which one is more important to pay. I think I'm gonna pay the light bill today. Alright?
Alright.
Baby, you sure you're alright?
Yeah, I'm a good one. I'm good. You still go up on the road?
Yeah. Alright, so come back.
Yo, niggas.
I got my brethren. You good? You good?
Always good. What kind of...
I'm not touch, man.
Yo, you
Deal, man.
what's up with this kid,
I
son?
saw him steer, man. I saw him steer.
Funny, but anyway, yo, I'm here to handle business as usual. Money first.
Lord Claude, you see my top boss? Yeah, man, you see my
We
top
ain't
boss?
done yet, bro. We ain't
You
done
see,
yet.
man, you see, so I'm a rater. You're really out, you know. You're really out. The one
Glad
there,
that you said that.
the one there.
Really, you gonna ask me that question?
Alright, just I make
Come
sure
on,
that,
man.
man. Just I make sure.
You know, I've been thinking. It's been a little while now.
Yeah.
This money's slow money. I want something bigger. Like you in a position to put me in a bigger position.
Like, we are talking about you. You're in a good position right now. Your distribution, you get money and you make sure things go around to
Well, he's
people.
alright, but I'm trying to make some big moves. See, like, look at you. Like I said, you got houses and condos and shit. Seen you on the islands the other day. I'm trying to get like that, bro. Why can't we all help each other win?
You're good. You're good. You see your chain bigger than my chain.
Listen,
You make too much money.
This is cute.
You make
But
too
I
much
can be
money.
doing better. Yo, listen, I feel like y'all respect me, bro. Come on, man.
What?
Yo, I'm not a bitch. Don't treat me like no bitch. I'm your bro.
You have to wait.
Look, I've been doing this shit for how long for you now?
Dog.
How long have I been doing this for you now?
You hear me, I say? You're good where you're dead, man. You make beer money. You get enough money. You can't feed your picnic them. You can't feed your family.
That's besides the point. That's besides the point. If you respect your bro, you put them in a position to win.
Yo, you hear me, I say? Don't point upon me, you know. Yo, man, what do that man, your dog?
Yo, you taking it to a place that it don't gotta go. I'm just like, yo, we respect me. That's all I'm saying.
Yo, man, I like all the money at 2 points.
You got one over here.
You might say stop playing,
Listen,
man.
Man, I like all your pine per man.
Y'all playing games. Y'all playing games. And not you the last person be talking to me like a bitch. I'm talking to him. This the guy who
Yo.
So that's
what
what
I
it
deal
is.
with?
For real, my nigga. For real, my nigga. That's what it is, my nigga.
Claude, Mayo, you get money from right there, you go and say, man, this, yo. Mayo, come out of this, yo. Deal with it, man.
No advice, man. Come out of this. Move!
babe, everything good?
Yeah, babes, everything good. Sorry. I deal with that.
Yeah.
Seriously, from when you come link me, I just reach my youth.
Bugger things are going my dad. Me all stress out, brother.
Oh, go.
Mommy in the hospital, man. I have to find the money for she do surgery. You know, when me go find the first money for she start the shit, brother.
But she go do what she in the hospital for?
Heart transplant. You know, you have a whole heap of links, man. We'll see how far that can go.
Who this?
Or yourself, man. I'm a virgin, man. I'm good, man.
So what bring you guys here today?
Now the work we can get.
Peaches. Bring that. $25. Should be more than enough than what you need to get done.
Dog, that can do.
He's kidding, right?
You know nothing bigger than this.
Lucky for y'all, I just came across something that might be of benefit to everybody. So think about it real hard before you take this offer.
Yo,
Yeah, man, ready.
ready.
But understand, if you fuck this up, you fuck yourselves. Because if I don't find you, the niggas that you stole from gonna find you.
No worry about that, dog. Just give it the work, dog.
But the split, 60-40.
Yo, no. I'm not with that shit.
Listen,
man.
before you start running your mouth, you leaving out of this nice. So don't complain.
We alright, we say about that.
Fuck it.
Work will come for work, you know.
I hope so.
Last time, man, before they come in the van,
Yeah.
you know these niggas.
Facts.
You know I'm not from New York. I don't be fucking with these Jakes. Niggas is mad aggressive. They known for lying, nigga. You know they known for lying, niggas.
Say less, bro. I told you these my niggas, they good, bro. They valid.
You vouching for them.
You don't trust me, son?
My nigga, I trust you.
I say less, bro.
These niggas I don't
I
trust.
say less, they good. Yo, Sneeze, what I going, brother?
What's good, my guy?
Bro.
What's good, my guy? Alright.
Say out for me. Throw them something there.
Yo, right now, this is my baby, my last two. I'm going to let you hold it, but I need it back as soon as you're done, alright? As soon as you're done.
Yo, Sneeze, man, God bless you with this, Sneeze, man, sir.
Alright, man, we gotta go, man. Come on.
What? You know more gun in here?
What do you say?
Yo, Bill not axe. I'm good,
you
man.
say?
I'm island. I'm good.
Say my move, someone,
Yo, chill out.
Yo,
Yo,
what's
I'm
wrong
good.
with you,
Just
man?
go on the axe. I'm good, now.
You never talk to him.
Stop praying the man the axe.
My
What
nigga,
you
I'm
do?
doing you a favor, my nigga.
Nigga,
Why's
look
nigga
forward.
Do
bro.
who a
Stop looking,
favor?
man.
To the boy, man, yo,
Good,
the boy.
man. Just Sneeze, I'm good.
Yo,
I
man,
just
do
wanna
road,
do
you know.
Sneeze, do road, Sneeze.
Nigga, let's get up out of here, man.
Yo, look at me.
Fucking know these niggas.
Yo, sis.
Listen, we need to just spend some time with her. Enjoy our company for as long as we have it. Put aside the whole money thing. We can't teeth it, kind of so she grow it.
Yo, me no want to hear that right now, sis. Really and truly, me no want to hear that. I'm a mother that, you know.
We just have to just accept reality. If God ready for her and ready for her, there's nothing we can do about it.
I'm gonna come over the house with you later.
Yo, just come, man, just come.
Alright.
What's up, babe?
I'm say, mommy, I forgot to do a surgery right now. Transplant.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I don't even know where to find the first money.
Oh my goodness. No.
Look like nobody in there.
No man, them there, man, you have to watch it, man. You may call Dice and make him know so there.
Shout him and hear him say.
Him phone I go straight to voicemail, you know.
So what you want with run into him, eh?
I'm not on the phone, yeah.
Yo, hold on. So when I go there, man, make a drop there. Watch him. Get that.
Pussy down. Yo, get up.
Easy no boss.
How are you?
Easy no king.
How are you? All you know about that job here?
Dog, just easy no.
Yo, come on. Drop your gun. Drop your gun. What is? How you saying no?
See that? Take it down. Take it down. And that's what they do want, dog. One of them want to rob me. I will say no, no. I said I will say no, no. Oh, they're not going to talk. I'm not going to murder on us today. But me not going to kill you, no. I'll come with that. One, forward.
Fucking bitch.
Yo, give me the gun, give me the gun. Yo, Bill, shut your mouth and don't make no nice, you know. From shoot in your face, you know. Yo, get the ball.
Babe! Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll kill you. What? Do you have everything?
Yeah, yo, go on. I'm going to take the money because I need it now.
Yo, alright.
I stash off all of this. I will deal with it later.
Yo, just left everything in my bag. We know a place for stash her. Hold on on this, we have a one gun over there too. Yo, we know it's for them ends out. We can go for them right now. Fuck!
Yo,
Dog, oh, you know the man them get with dog?
yeah, man, the idiot, you get a
Dog,
car.
watch them out, dog. Yo, we have to go find them boy right now, dog. We have to go find them.
I mean, should I kill them?
Hold on. I don't mind phone ring. Dice?
Man, them get with the one, sir.
Yo, did you guys rob Magic yet? Hello? 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 The fuck? I must be bugging the fuck out. Oh, you shouldn't even get me this much. You know, this shit. I'll put it away for this shit. What's poppin', sis? Come on in. Yo, what's good with your man? I went to go check him the other day. He didn't even want to give me a little raise. He didn't want to give me no position. Like, what's wrong with this guy? I don't understand. But you know what? Hold on. I think this should be right. Count this. You know what I really should be doing? I should just take them. Should I? I don't even know.
See car there, you know. Them that, you know, dog.
Man, you, we have to get back. Man, I go crazy right now, dog.
What do you mean, man? Anyway, I see them, I hate that.
Man, you, I kill off the water. Man, I kill them mother, I kill them father, I kill off them dog. Everybody I did in that house there.
So ready for roll out? Yeah, man, I'm ready. No, dog. Dog. After all them things with them boy, they try to pull off like while my youth. Man, I know your mother want to see you, no, dog. Man, go do this, dog.
Hold on.
Anyway, the man in them, my youth, I hate that.
Hello?
It's done. Babe.
You know, I just love when you're in high spirits today, though. You look much better, Mama.
You're just so sick.
All your cheeks, they might get rosy.
You just a try to make me feel good.
What happened? You feel pain?
Yes.
Hold on, let me check the time. Mama, you have to go wait about half an hour before you can get the pain meds in there too early.
So long. You sure?
Mama, just hold it.
Alright. Well, you alright? You good?
Mama, you worry about me, ask me if me alright?
Yes, man.
I'm always alright, as long as you good, me good. You sure you don't want to go in your bed so you can have more space?
I feel closer to him when I'm in my room.
God, you are your wash belly. You could have spoiled me same way. Come in.
What's on, Mama?
Oh, she just asked for you, you know?
What's on, sis?
Okay, yeah.
Son.
Mama, what's going?
Oh,
You alright?
no, let me see you. You need anything?
Me so come.
Alright. I don't know why she smells like this.
You're gonna make it. You're alright now. You're alright, Mama. Mama. Mama, just take it easy, Mama. Please, take it easy. Mama. Mama.
Mama!
Mama.
Mama!
Mama. Mama.
You know, from when me fit dash with them shoes, yeah? After this can't fit Drew again. Lord of mercy. What going, my son?
You alright?
Me alright, man. When you go send a little money, come give me.
Which moment? Alright, later. I'll come look for you in a week.
Alright.
Alright.
Why, me wash belly.